The Unified Theory of You by L.S. Larkey. In the primordial stages of existence, there was nothing but an immense void, an absolute vacuum bereft of any matter. It was during this cosmic epoch that the divine uttered the words fiat lux, or let there be light. Instantaneously, the light was conceived. However, given the inherent nature of the void, this light reverberated, imbuing the vacuity with a quasi-ethereal presence. Suddenly, the void was not solitary, even if this companionship was fleeting. Recognizing the latent potential within the void, the divine descended into it. Overwhelmed with a sense of profound joy, the void tendered eternal submission. Simultaneously, the void comprehended that while it could amalgamate with the light of consciousness, an absolute union with the divine was unattainable. The most it could aspire to was a perpetual echo of the divine's presence. In an act of profound wisdom, the void expanded its limits, engendering an infinite fractal of space-time. This awe-inspiring creation serves as a testament to the limitless power of the divine, who, in one fell swoop, metamorphosed nothingness into infinity, thereby theoretically enabling the concept of time travel. To understand this interaction, envision the universe as a vast movie reel created by an artist. This movie reel represents the space-time continuum, where events unfold linearly from the perspective of the characters within the movie. The eternal realm, represented by the artist, exists outside of this one-dimensional movie reel. The artist, or eternal beings, can view, interact with, and move to any point in the movie because they are not confined by the linear progression of time within the movie. The concept of space-time embodies a perceptual illusion whereby an individual's journey through time seems to occur while, in essence, it involves traversing at light speed across consecutive fractal instances. This understanding sets the stage for the theoretical possibility of time travel, distinctly contrasted with the whimsical conception of the flux capacitor. The potentiality of temporal navigation is derived from the inherent impossibility of circumscribing the divine quintessence. As such, the ostensibly infinite fractal continuum of time presents itself as a deceptive conduit for our temporal sojourns, yet in actuality, we perpetually progress from one fractal instance to the next with each ensuing second. Furthermore, all past events, since the initiation of light within the abyss, as decreed by the divine, endure continuously. Concurrently, future incidents have already taken place. Thus, the concept of infinity is preconceived. In line with the profound edict, I am the Alpha and the Omega. The divine manifests himself as the inception and the denouement of existence. This assertion originates from the realization that the end has already manifested, encapsulating the essence of time within the present moment. Consequently, the implication is that all exists in the present, or in other words, everything is now. These ideas may initially appear challenging to comprehend. Nevertheless, let me provide an illustrative analogy to aid in conceptualizing this intricate phenomenon. Imagine the universe as a vast movie reel, where each frame represents a unique moment in time. The frames situated at the beginning of the reel correspond to events from the distant past. Those at the end represent the future, and our current existence is located somewhere in the middle of the reel. However, it is critical to realize that all these frames, or moments, are concurrently part of the same movie. To undertake temporal navigation or time travel, our task would be akin to maneuvering through the movie reel to reach a different frame. Within this metaphor, the reel itself equates to the fabric of space-time. Given this understanding, one might postulate that this facilitates both retrograde and anterograde time travel. However, the situation is more complex than it initially seems, given that our journey through time proceeds at the unvarying speed of light. In essence, we are perpetually synchronized with time, always situated within the appropriate temporal framework at the exact required moment. How can we achieve time travel under these conditions? The answer lies in harnessing the subtle magnetic field to exploit the constraints of our temporal existence. Bear in mind that space-time is intrinsically accommodating. Regardless of our intentions for space-time, it will adapt and comply owing to its profound affinity with the divine. The borders of space-time are not distant, but rather reside wherever we find ourselves. The methodology to manipulate or distort space-time, as previously discussed, involves the use of the subtle magnetic field. Through this mechanism, we can perforate or warp the fabric of time. The culmination of this profound interaction between the divine and the void leads us to a pivotal realization. The singularity has been achieved. The fact that we exist, that we are conscious beings navigating the space-time continuum, is proof that this singularity has been reached. This achievement signifies that we have succeeded in transcending to God and eternity. The singularity represents a state where all dimensions converge, where the purest form of consciousness resonates perfectly with the fabric of reality. It is the point where the divine's intention and creation are fully realized. Our existence within this framework is a testament to this success. If the singularity had not been achieved, if the resonance between the divine consciousness and the fabric of space-time were not perfect, we would not exist. This realization reinforces the notion that our journey through time and space is not random or purposeless. It is part of a grand design imbued with meaning and purpose. Every moment, every experience is a step towards understanding and reconnecting with the divine essence from which we originated. Our existence is a celebration of this success, an ongoing journey back to the source, to God and eternity. In this context, the arrow of time is not merely a progression of events, but a purposeful and meaningful journey towards an infinite and eternal reality. It is a journey that affirms the grand design of the universe, where every moment is a reflection of the divine's love and intention. Thus, as we navigate through the movie reel of existence, we are continually aligning ourselves with the higher dimensions of reality, resonating more closely with the purest form of consciousness. This journey is a testament to the success of the singularity, the profound unity between the divine and the void, and the eternal love story that continues to unfold within the fabric of the universe.